Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group, powered by eXp, and today we're at our latest listing in Sun City. Today we're at 15848 North 99th Drive in Sun City. Now before heading inside, let's go take a look at the community. Sun City is the original 55 plus active adult community. It features 8 recreation centers. No other active adult community in the country has this many centers. Each center has special interest clubs, and 7 of them offer an abundance of activities such as swimming pools and spas, fitness centers, social halls, pickleball and tennis, racquetball and softball, shuffleboard, billiards and darts, indoor walking tracks, basketball, and horseshoes. The Marinette Recreation Center alone has 20 pickleball courts and a rubberized walking track. The Bell Recreation even has a branch of the Maricopa County Library. Now for the golfers, Sun City has 8 courses, all at a reduced rate. 5 are championship courses, 3 executive courses spanning 1,100 acres, and all are within 6 miles of each other. Okay, we're back to the home. Let's go over the specs on this one. It is just under 2,100 square feet, sits on 9,600 square foot lot, backing a golf course, with covered patio on the front, with beautiful brick pavers, as well as a putting green on the back, so that you can get your game ready before you hit the course. All right, let's go over the inside of this home. It has been freshly painted, so it is absolutely move-in ready. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has a kitchen with an eat-in area, a dining room, large living room, and an Arizona room that overlooks the golf course. It has 2-car garage and is absolutely, like I said before, it is move-in ready. Just back up the truck. All right, we are out back now. Let's go over some of the features of the exterior of this home. It has been freshly painted. You also have sunshades for added protection or cut down on the sun at the end of the day. You have covered patio area, and where I'm standing right now is we have this beautiful putting green. So if you want to practice your putt-putt game or the grown-up game, you can definitely do it out here before you hit the course, which is off to my right. This yard is maintenance free. There's nothing for you to worry about. So if you do want to go out of town, you don't have to worry about hiring somebody to water your plants and all that fun stuff. Now this yard is set up to where it does have fruit trees as well. We got the grapefruit tree back here. Looks like it's going to be a very good harvest year. I see at least 50 plus grapefruit. So you can have them all for yourself or you can share with your neighbors. To schedule a showing, we make it super simple for you. You can call our phone number 480-305-6688 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com. Till next time, bye.